So yeah man nation, it was a success. See the plate them? Yeah man nation, wagwan, welcome back my people. Welcome back people. I want deeply apologize for not posting any video for about a couple of weeks now. Really sorry. My laptop broke, so I don't have anything to edit the videos them on, and the phone that I'm using is a iPhone 7 Plus, and it doesn't have a lot of space to edit the video them and so forth. So that's why you guys weren't getting any video. But I had a phone that will give me some space to edit till I can purchase another laptop, right? And also I want to thank you guys for 3K subscriber people. Yes man, thank you guys so much. Thank you guys a lot. And hopefully when you get this video, it's a time that have the phone can edit and give you guys more content, right? So today I'm in Kingston. I have a guest that he said he want to do something here in Kingston. He want to do like a coffee tour, Blue Mountain style. So I'm going to pick him up at the hotel, take him up into the Blue Mountains and let him do a coffee tour, because he said he's a coffee lover and you want to see how the coffee grow. And you know Blue Mountain coffee is the best in the world, right? Yeah man, Blue Mountain coffee. I'm not a coffee drinker, but if you do like coffee and you want to do the tour in Jamaica, yeah man, just hit me up and can check me out on Instagram and all of those things will down in the description. You see me? So me I head to the hotel now, pick him up, and we're gonna head to the mountain. So that's what we're doing today, and also probably get some lunch as well. You see me? You see me? So people, stick and stay. Remember the right thing. Say yes no man. So yeah people, I'm in a Blue Mountain right now. The guests them now be on camera, so you have to respect that and thing. So we're up in a mountain right now, and I'm gonna go up on him. I'm gonna go up on him tour, go learn about coffee and get to know the place. So while me up here, I'm just gonna show you guys just a few footage of the place. So this place that we at is called Crichton Estate. I think it's owned by Japanese that own this plantation and thing. So we have a view of the mountains. You guys can see over this side is the Strawberry Hill Hotel. It's one of the famous hotels in Kingston, but this one is in the mountain. You guys can see the mountain view and all those things. Can see the mist. So
Arabica and the lesser known Excelsior. All coffee are indigenous to Africa. So the Arabica is from Ethiopia, the Robusta is from the Congo, the Liberica is from Liberia, and the Excelsior basically has evolved in India or Southeast Asia for the most part, but its origin are also in Africa. Now the first domesticated coffee would have been the Arabica, and that took place between the 5th and 9th century AD in the kingdom of Kaffa. And that is where the name Kafi originated, plant of Kaffa or drink of Kaffa Kafi. With its domestication in Ethiopia, coffee took on social meaning. So it is seen in Ethiopian culture as a gift of life and rejuvenation. Prepared solely by the matriarchs of family, the skill of coffee making is passed to the younger females of their family for continuity. Now through trade, coffee entered Arabia around...
Yeah, my nation. So, whole heap of thing about coffee. You have some other guests up here and thing. I do the coffee tour as well. Right now we get the afternoon showers here in the Blue Mountain. As you guys can see over that side is dark. Yeah, so this is what it's like in the Blue Mountain. You do get a lot of rain in the afternoon up here. So we call it the afternoon showers. So down in Kingston right now, it's not. It's probably sunshine down there. So yeah man, people say if you know are interested in coffee and want to do a coffee tour, just link me up man. All of the information down in the description. Just check it out. For all of the coffee lovers them. Yeah. So I'm still in there do the thing, so we're gonna get ready for go do a little hiking and go up in the mountain. A little bit more, probably about half an hour to 45 minutes hiking. So I'm gonna show you guys that as well. And the coffee tree. A lot of people who don't know what coffee tree look like. Right? So yeah man, just stick and stay people. We're gonna do it. So yeah my nation, the rain stop fall. Can see sun bright you know. So we're gonna head on the hiking and thing. Guess them. There's some goat around here so. So we are doing the hiking you know people. So your nation, we are carrying up on a little hiking. Yeah people, yo. Fun na fit in man. Them hiking you know. And a phone if I wanna fit. So right now I'm not fit. Need to do more exercising and thing. The group they far from me. Me showing them. Staying there. I'm a hike. So we are go up there people. I got to the top phone. Yeah, I do this soon in people. Yes man. Yeah man nation. Me hike. Me hike phone. Uno me a do it for. You see me? See, I have coffee on the tree here. So these coffee trees are full with coffee. I don't know them black something upon it. But this is what coffee tree look like, people. All who don't know what coffee tree look like. See it here. Banana tree up here too. Banana shoot. Yeah, people. So when I show you now I go on the coffee farm. Coffee farm here in the mountain. So we keep on going up. It's about half an hour hike to about 45 minutes. But me I take my little time and pace myself. I'm not a big fan of hiking. Yeah. So I have to stop and rest. You have some goat in a farm. You have, yes, when I goat them there. Tell me so I see him. But some nice curry that, you know. Some curry goat.
This secondary forest, only the strongest tree remain. Both of them will fall apart because of lack of care. But the hardwoods, the primary forest will continue to spread. And you already have a bird population and other insects. So they will do the dispersion, and in no time you're back to a rainforest instead of it becoming grassland.
And this house, this one coffee, right?
Yeah, these are old coffee plants. So these are plants, as I said, they have done 8 years. So they cut, and that's the new plant. So this is like a year and a half growth. And the younger the plants is a high quality fruit. So all of these beans on these trees that you see cut back are number one.
Okay, and when are they going to be ripe?
Later on, probably January, February.
Okay.
But with this moisture, with this rainfall, continuous rainfall, the beans are just constantly becoming harder. And that's the key criteria for quality.
So your nation, the coffee farm.
And that's where the flavor is much higher.
Be a coffee tree that be a coffee. Coffee my girl, big up yourself. Coffee, yeah. I dominate the world right now with our music. Not this type of coffee, you know. The artist. Coffee. Yeah, man. She dominate the world right now with our music. She are going good and thing. But people will still lay up on the hiking. We check in more when we reach further and thing. It's a good vibes. Can't get the view. Get the view, people. Yes, man. So this is the beauty of Jamaica. Say yes, no, man. So people, yo, if you can't exercise, wanna exercise. Staying fit, people. Stay fit. Okay, if you don't fit, if you do the hiking here, walk up on one guava tree. Take me some one guava. Guava Nation. Take a bite out there. Still up on the hiking. Guava here. It's a little bit sour, but it's good. So this is the farm. Just coffee and banana. But thing I like up here, people. The thing what I like, it's cool and nice. Yes, man. Up here, cool and nice. Temperature just right. So we made it to the top, people. You see it? Tell them something I go bring it to the top. I think a joke. Well fit. Can you see well and mist over that side the same way? So it's a good look nation.
Any questions though?
Well, this place meant to be like to have coffee and like observe the
No, not
waters.
not the word. It's really to come sit alone, have coffee, and listen to nature.
Oh, it's fantastic.
Yeah, it's called Shofukate, so it's where I come to meditate. I'll take my AeroPress and my hot water, and I just drink a cup of #1
Peace.
and watch the sun.
So going back down nation, it's not as hard as hiking up. It's more easier and more relaxing going back down. No whole heap of pressure or anything going back down. Cause it's probably just through it's elevating down. But it's more easier for go down than going up. So we are head down. Stick and stay, people. Catch you when we reach further down. Reach back down. As we reach back down, the rain start fall. So Father God hold up him hand, make we hike to the top and hike back down. And as we reach back down on the flat, and rain that. That's it, God. Rain there in the mountain, yeah, so yeah, people. Nation, where they are the restaurant, you know. So we just order some oxtail, the guests order some curry goat with white rice. So it's a vibes, people. So when them forward back, you don't know you guys are gonna see what going on. So it's a good restaurant here in the mountain. You get local food up here, the best in the mountain. So anytime you head to the Blue Mountain, this is the place to stop. So the food arrived, people. The food is here. Check it out. So this is the oxtail with broad bean. You have the rice and peas right here. And you have the typical cereal drink. And our friend get white rice with curry goat. First time you have curry goat? First time?
Yeah. No, I've had it. I've had carrot goat.
Okay, so you have curry goat already.
But not on this trip.
But not on this trip. Okay, so it's the first time on this trip, people. So it's gonna be a good vibe. Is it? So people wanna just stick and stay and go and do the right thing, alright? Yeah, man. So I like mix the rice and the chicken and everything together. We have the avocado over here. So Yemen Nation, it was a success. See the plate them? They're empty. The boss enjoy himself. They want to be in it. So yeah, man.
Yeah.
So yes, my people, yeah man, it was a good food, tastes good and nice. Sorry you guys never there here for get a try, but when you forward to Jamaica, man, just link me up, man. Food really good. No joke about it. So we are pack up and head back down. So you don't know, so I reach back down on the flat. Keep you guys posted and let you guys know what is what, alright? Stay tuned. So Nation, it's a good vibes, people. Food was good. Everything tastes nice. Guests enjoy him food. So now we are head back down on the flat. Drop off at the hotel and then I can probably head home. But people will just stick and stay and go and watch and see which part me end up on thing. But enough love and respect in our people. Remember, you know, keep on subscribe. Don't stop subscribe. You see it? If you don't see me back in the next video. Enough love and respect. Yes, people, just drop off the guests back in hotel and thing. It was a good day, people, as you guys could see. I hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoy it as well. Because I enjoy it. It was good. It was a good experience. Good exercise for me as well. Hiking up the mountain. But the guests never want to be too much in the video. That's why I never show you guys him at first. But as we go on throughout the day, him end up in a few of the shops and things, especially the food part, him did kinda like the part there. So him enjoy the curry goat and white rice, people. Yeah man. We did have oxtail, broad bean and rice and peas. Wish me could have show you guys more of the place and thing, but you don't know, so a whole lot of people are there and you don't know, people not like they in the camera, and when them see camera, them, I don't know, them probably get scared or them don't want nobody record them and all those things. So they ain't really to record much at the restaurant. But you don't know, it's a good vibe, you see me? So people, just do the right thing, like, comment, share and subscribe. And guys, just let me know what you guys want to see more of. And one loving your people. Yeah man. So we are out here. Enough love and respect. Me catch you guys in the next video. Alright? Yes, no man. Big up.